That is a powerful and well-organized list of habits across mindset and focus, time, energy and attention, and relationships and perspective. Part 1. Mindset and focus. Write things down. Here's the truth. Your brain is for having ideas, not for holding them. Stop cluttering your mind and start capturing genius. Take a second to pause before you respond. If you want to be more respected and less stressed, choose to become less reactive in every interaction. Read something every day, even just one page. This isn't about finishing a book. It's about making daily learning non-negotiable. Write something every day, even just a paragraph. Train your communication muscle. Clarity in thought starts with clarity on the page. Automate and batch as much as you can. Your brain has more room to be creative when it's not constantly making decisions. Stop deciding. Start designing your day. Get some sun on your skin as early as you can in the day. It instantly sets your body clock, boosts your mood, and is the simplest life upgrade available. When your brain hurts, stop working. Seriously. Take a quick break to disconnect and recharge. Productivity isn't a marathon. It's a series of strategic sprints. Limit your to-do list to the top 3 most important tasks of the day. Everything else is a distraction. If you want to see progress, embrace the power of 3. Write down anything that resonates with you. Don't just read it, absorb it. The great ideas you encounter should become action items, not just anecdotes. Part 2. Time, energy, and attention. Value your time above all else. It is your only non-renewable resource. Start treating your calendar like a fortress, not a suggestion box. Find hobbies that engage your mind and soul. Do them as often as you can. This is where true recharge happens. Don't just fill your time, enrich your life. Place your phone outside the room while you're working. Distraction isn't a habit, it's a choice. Remove the choice and watch your focus explode. Track everything you do for one day to the minute. Find where the time sinks are. You can't fix what you can't see. Expose your hidden time thieves. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. That comparison is a trap. Your only competitor is who you were yesterday. Be bored more often. Our minds get the best ideas when they are allowed to wander. Give your brain the space it needs to innovate. Listen more than you speak. The greatest conversations are built on curiosity, not commentary. Become a student of other people's worlds. Create more than you consume. If you want to build a legacy, you have to shift from a passive recipient to an active contributor. Compliment more than you complain. Your words shape your reality. Trade negativity for genuine appreciation. Delete apps you don't use. Digital clutter is mental clutter. Free up space and free up your mind. Donate clothes you don't wear. Get rid of the physical weight holding you back. Declutter your closet. Declutter your future. Part 3. Relationships and perspective. Serve others as much as you can. This is a powerful source of happiness. Purpose is found when you look beyond yourself. Make a habit of reaching out to old friends. Meaningful connection requires effort. Invest in the relationships that built you. Never say yes simply because you feel obligated. Your time is too valuable for guilt. Practice the liberating power of a polite no. Take care of your information diet. Junk info hurts our brains like junk food hurts our bodies. Be ruthless about what you allow into your awareness. Look at your phone less. Look at people's eyes more. Presence is the most precious gift you can give. Reclaim your attention and your connection. Revisit things that have brought you joy in the past. They will probably do it again. Nostalgia isn't just a memory, it's a blueprint for happiness. Set time limits on tasks. Use Parkinson's law in your favor. Work expands to fill the time allotted. Create urgency. Create focus. Remember people's names and use them often. It is the most important word in any language. Show respect. Build trust. Remember you're going to die one day. Morbid? No! It's the ultimate perspective tool. Live with urgency. Act with intention. Make today matter. Which of these 30 habits are you going to implement starting this week?